कसैले मलाई हैन यो मलाई एकजनाले भनेको थियो कि हैन somebody had told me this के like if somebody had told me that I had faced so many thousands of different thousand त भनेन उसले millions of challenges भनेको थियो हैन millions of challenges on running this business म भाडा खाएर मात्र बस्थेँ होला भनेर एकजना साथीले मलाई भनेको थियो कि हैन कि that means he had a lot of property across his city हैन so you just take rent and just relax you know I just relax and live my life if I knew that I would face 1 million problems starting a business but the friend also mentioned that यो व्यापार नगरेको भए मेरो जिन्दगीमा फुलफिलमेन्ट हुँदैन थियो भनेर हैन किनभने यही समस्याहरूले गर्दा नै मलाई के रे आनन्द आउँछ भनेर उसले त्यो पनि भनेको थियो कि हैन सो एन्टरप्रेन्योर्स जर्नी आई एम श्योर इज फुल अफ थाउजन्ड्स एन्ड मिलियन्स अफ च्यालेन्जेस बट विदाउट दैट एन्टरप्रेन्योर इज हाउ डु आई से इट इज नट स्याटिस्फाइड त्यसरी राखौँ म त्यो स्याटिस्फ्याक्सनै त होला नि त हैन जुन च्यालेन्जेसले गर्दा चाहिँ त्यो स्याटिस्फ्याक्सन आएर त त्यो एन्टरप्रेन्योर लागि पर्ने होला नि
हंगर एउटा
त्यही हंगर हो त अर्को 20 वर्षमा नि यही नै हो त गर्ने त्यसमै कि 50
प्रब्लम सल्भ गर्ने हंगर भनौँ न
प्रब्लम सल्भ गर्ने हंगर आजको दिनमा मार्केटले के भन्छ मनीष व्हाट डज द मार्केट से like is the Nepali market a lot of people obviously I don't want to throw in my opinion right what does the market say let's start with that
well I don't know. I think like a few months ago, we were having some talks with different entrepreneurs, different big entrepreneurs from Nepal. And Yota Kura that really struck me was Nepal ko economy ko status you have to really look at the more than the figures that the government put and all the banks ko I think the indicator is the scooter and motorcycle ko sales Nepali economy as soon as the economy goes good
everybody
buys scooters and bikes and that's the basic indicator right and last year ko fiscal year usma the revenue from scooter and motorcycle fell down by 50%
completely declined
that is quite a striking 50% decline hone bhaneko हैन economy but that revenue getting wiped out bhaneko that's pretty scary just like the even when I look at my own business definitely the revenues are down I know we all faced a big shortage last year there was not when I look at other businesses when I talk to other entrepreneurs and all it seems like they're doing even worse like especially people working in the banking like with the banking sector thankfully mine we didn't have to work that much with the banks and we didn't have that much loan and all but I think everybody that I talk to who's been working with the banks they're in a really bad state but hopefully this Dasai and Tihar ko spike will make a difference होला कि भन्ने चाहिँ एक्सपेक्ट गरिरहेको छौँ
I'll tell you who is actually making money the manpower companies and the के रे विदेश पठाउने बच्चाहरूलाई विदेश पठाउने consultancies are actually making money
Thank you very much for watching us on YouTube. Make sure that you also listen to us on Spotify.